close hold. 2 and 3, 4, 1. For the man, start thinking about the next step already. 2, 3, lowering the arm underneath. Now I'm going to lead to New Yorker. New Yorker, I stop her and I bring her back. 2 hand hold. I stop her, I bring her back. Spot turn. I'm not going to stop her, I'm going to push her away and reconnect. And 4, 1. I'll push her away and reconnect. 4, 1. I lead with my right arm inwards and I step back. I stop her, look forward, back to me. 2 and nods on this side. I also do a little clockwise movement to make her come back to me. 2 basic, half a basic. From here, notice as my hip goes away, I'll send her hip away to turn her 90 degree. She keeps going into her new direction on 2 and 3. And now I bring my arm. My arm moved with her, I didn't stop her. Now I'm going to bring the arm to my hip and send her away. Because of our proximity of the bodies, the connection became a pull, which means don't move further back. And then the pull, I will release the pull to allow her to close her feet. And 2, 3, 4, 1 feet together for the man. Underarm turn, clockwise movement with the arm. 2 and 3 and reconnect. And begin. Thank you.